Hey everyone, this is just a quick reminder that I wanted to let everybody know that the sale for 75% off all trader evaluations is live and going on. This is a celebration for the Facebook group that I have, Apex Trader Funding, non-official group, discounts, tips, and testimonials. This is celebration of crossing 2,000 members in the group. So we are live with the sale right here. Flash sale today and tomorrow only. I just want everybody to take advantage of this. I don't know when Apex is going to do another 80% off, 75% off, whatever sale again. We don't know. The ongoing sale currently is 50% off, the official one with Apex. But for my for my members in the group and anybody else that follows me, this is our sale right here. Share it with anybody you like. Use code WIN75, WIN 75, today and tomorrow only. As you can see, this is 75% off the first month and then 50% off recurring months as well. So take advantage, grab your accounts. The sale ends tomorrow evening. All right. Good luck and get those things funded. Take care.